So this is the Bodhi tree I found on the ground outside. As you can see, the main root was snapped off because over here in Taiwan they view them as weeds. But look, it still has a root, a generous root system, and with a patch of moss. So I'm gonna pot it up into this pot and we will see how it grows. It's just gonna be something like this. I'll have to make sure that it can stand up though. So we'll do that. So now that I just have it in the pot here and I've stuck it in the pot, I'm gonna give it a good watering, and that's all for now. I'll put it outside and we'll take a look at it during the day. We'll see if the leaves have recovered. So it's been about 2 days since I saved this Bodhi tree, and it's doing pretty well. The leaves have perked up. You can see I put it in this pot and then a container of water. Bodhi trees love water, so you basically cannot overwater them. So it's been about 8 days since I rescued the Bodhi tree, and unfortunately all the leaves dropped off. And I've been giving it a lot of water, but this leaf seems pretty good, and this one is new, so we will see if it recovers. So it's been 24 days since I rescued this Bodhi tree, and we can see that the leaves are coming back now, and it's getting a lot of sun out here. The moss is kind of dark, I guess because it's always wet, but it is coming back and surviving. So it's been 1 month and 2 days since I brought this Bodhi tree back, and now it's getting new leaves, so it's doing well. So it's been 55 days since I rescued this Bodhi tree, and it's doing pretty well now. So it's been 76 days since I rescued this Bodhi tree, and you can see that it's doing really well now. Biggest leaf is pretty big. Okay, let's take out the pot so we can see the root formation. Okay, so there's a lot of flies. What is that? Flies? Spores? Anyways, oh yeah, bugs. Anyways, so this is some moss. Let's pull it up here. Let me slimy, very slimy, and let's take a look at the roots here. It feels like the roots are very fibrous. A lot of flies though, or something. Okay, so yeah, look at that. Look at all that fibrous root growth that we've had all throughout the pot. It's very moist because I usually keep it wet all the time because Bodhi trees like a lot of water anyways. So, wow, look at those roots. And then I thought it wasn't going to be this fibrous, so I was trying to pull it up from the top. But luckily I didn't damage much because this is just the moss, I guess. So that's basically it, and that's how you can rescue any plant. Well, this is a Bodhi tree, but you can rescue any plant.